Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best dog toy in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a dog toy that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these dog toys, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Most dogs need to learn to use a Kong toy. Follow these steps to ensure your dog knows how to enjoy all the benefits of this versatile toy. It's important to use the right size Kong so that your dog can have the safest, most enjoyable experience. Engage your dog with their new Kong, show it off, and talk about it with enthusiasm. Maybe even play a little hard to get to pique their interest and show them what their new toy can do. Many dogs are motivated by food, and Kong toys are perfect for stuffing with treats or kibble to keep dogs busy. The key is to stuff loosely so that the food will come out easily. To entice your dog, try using a little bit of peanut butter or their favorite treat in the Kong. Over time, your dog will learn how to get treats out of the Kong quickly. To increase the challenge, mix wet and dry ingredients, stuff the Kong, and freeze it. A frozen Kong heightens the experience by creating a long-lasting, mentally stimulating task.
Now you know why dogs need to play. The Kong Company understands the important role safe toys play in raising a happy and well-adjusted dog. And that's why Kong is recommended as an important behavioral tool by canine professionals worldwide.
Your four-legged friends are always looking to have some fun, but when you're not around, they can be lonely and tear up the town. Not anymore. Introducing Wobble Wag Giggle Ball, the interactive ball that makes the most hilarious sounds, turning a lonely day into a fun day of play while you're away. Just a nudge from their nose and off it goes, wobbling around as it makes engaging play with me sounds. Wobble Wag Giggle Ball uses unique sounds, colors, and motion designed to mimic human laughter and joy, to engage your dog's natural curiosity and instincts to play. And when it's caught and shaken, it fills your dog with the pride of accomplishment. The secret are 3 tubes inside the ball that let out sounds when rolled around. The 6 catch pockets in the ball allow any size dog to pick up the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball. Flexible, pet-safe construction makes Wobble Wag Giggle Ball super durable. Best of all, Wobble Wag Giggle Ball requires no batteries. And unlike high-pitched squeak toys that make your dog run away, the hilarious sounds the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball makes encourages them to stay and play. And the best part is, you'll know when you're not around, your dog will be active and happy with Wobble Wag Giggle Ball fun sounds. And listen to this, Wobble Wag Giggle Ball helps keep your dog happy, healthy, and fit because you're giving him a workout without having to take him out. Look, older dogs slow down, but with the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball, you'll have them up and playing like a puppy again. It's healthy fun for dogs old and young. Plus, you'll know when you're not home, he'll never be alone with his Wobble Wag Giggle.